Diane Hogarth here, helping you at home make money online. Google Translate. How much can I earn from Google Translate? This is a brand new thing. I only just learned it this week. If you can enter your text, you can do transcription, which is voice to text, or you can do a voice to translation. Watch this. Hello, my name is Diane and I live in England. Come on, guys. This is so easy. Right, you get the gist. I have 3 websites to show you to use this so you can get paid for jobs where you just use Google Translate. Before I do that, I'd like you to say which country you're from. Tell me your name, where you come from. Then I can find out what countries need what products. I'm forever searching and I go, hey, I'm going to do that one today. So the first one I wanted to show you is GoTranscript. This one's based in the UK because that's where I live, but you can get one based in America as well. So how much can I get paid for transcription jobs? This is in dollars, which is 60 cents. You can get average earnings a month 150, top monthly or earnings 1200. So all you have to do is register, do transcription jobs from home, work flexible hours, get paid via PayPal, and that's all you need to know for that one. Number 2, you have to be in America for this one, but hey ho, some of you are American. So if you GMR Transcription, GMR Transcription is American based, as I said, but a career with these lot, 1,000 to 3,000 a month. So just imagine if you've got 2 or 3 of these agencies. You can do general transcription, which is English to English, or you can, if you're a certified translator, you obviously get paid more. So again, this is using Google Translate, no fees, no experience needed, work from home, your own hours, and these are top American people, top American companies that use this website. The third and final one for today is Rev.com. They actually pay you. They actually pay, the clients pay the company $1.25 a minute, up to $7. But if you want to be a transcription person in here, all you have to do is press on the careers and freelancers, and again you have to pass a certain test so that they know your English is good enough, and again get paid weekly by PayPal. What more do you want, guys? If you want, it's what, 30 to 110 a minute. If you want to do video captions, again, 54 to 110 a minute. All you have to do is take a quick quiz so that they know your English is good, do a quick test, and if you're approved, you can earn straight away. If you can do subtitles on a video and you know a foreign language, you get paid more. So if you'd like, but this is changing time for money. What if, while you were doing this, you could earn passive income, monthly income, like you pay the phone bill monthly? What if somebody paid you monthly instead, or as well as? So if you want to learn how to make full-time income online, click the button below, and happy earning, guys.